Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Sienna battery. First, gather your essential tools for a smooth process. You will need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Make sure your new battery is the correct size and type for your Sienna. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection before you begin any work. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Open your hood and locate the battery, usually found on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. This is crucial for safety. Next, disconnect the positive terminal cable. Finally, unfasten any battery hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in place. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the tray. Remember, batteries are quite heavy. Take this opportunity to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with your wire brush and terminal cleaner. This ensures good contact for the new battery. Now, gently place the new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely and is level. To complete the installation, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are tight and secure, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the terminals. Double-check that the battery is firmly held down by its clamps. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Start your Sienna to confirm everything is working correctly and enjoy your fresh battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.